Need to set an out-of-office message in Outlook? It's easier than you think and ensures anyone emailing you knows when you're away. Start by going to your mailbox. You'll usually land there after logging in, but if not, click the Mail tab. Next, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner. That's your settings. Click it, then select View All Outlook Settings to open the full menu. From here, click on Account, then scroll down to find Automatic Replies. This is where you can craft your out-of-office message. Turn on automatic replies by toggling the switch or checking the box. Now write a message letting people know you're away, how long you'll be gone, and any alternate contacts if necessary. You can also schedule your reply to start and end on specific dates, or choose to send it only to people inside your organization. Once your message is ready, don't forget to hit Save to make sure it's activated. And that's it. Your automatic out-of-office reply is now set, giving you peace of mind that anyone reaching out will be informed of your availability. You can always return to tweak or disable it whenever you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to make Outlook work smarter for you.